Hey world, hey, it's been so long. I know, it's been so long, forever. Forever. Say it in your Sandlot voice, forever. But anyways, I'm back with a new video. I just wanted to share this new product with you guys. This is PROtechs. I recently won a giveaway on Instagram, so definitely go check out all their info, follow them on Instagram, participate in their giveaways. It was super easy. It was like a little guessing game, so go check out all their info and maybe you could win yourself some of these PROtechs. I had been eyeballing these for a while, but I could not find my flexible measure tape, so I couldn't measure my actual finger, and they have 5 different sizes, and I knew, well, from the videos that I had seen on Instagram, that they were stretchy, so I wanted to get an accurate measurement. I didn't just want to go and order them and then like be all sad if I ordered the wrong size or something. So I needed to measure my fingers, and I just couldn't find this measure tape, but I did, so now I'm gonna make this video. I mainly needed something to protect my nails. They definitely come in handy for protecting my thumb so that I don't file it away, but I mainly needed them for my nails when I'm doing any type of display tips. These are the actual PROtechs. These are the actual PROtechs. This is a size 1 right here, which is a white one, and this is a size 2, which is gray. This ranges or has a size range that says it can fit 41 to 44.8 millimeters, so I'd say like 41 to 45 millimeters this would fit, and that's like circumference wise. The size 2 can fit 45 to 50 millimeters. So when I won the giveaway, I picked size 1 and size 2, and that's because I mainly needed them to protect my index and thumb. This is how I measured, and definitely measure where you plan on wearing them or where you need protection at. So I know I needed them for this tip of my finger-ish area, and that was a little bit less than 2 inches. 1 inch is 25 millimeters or something like that, so 2 inches is about 50, and my index finger I knew was gonna be smaller than that, so I pretty much was like, I just need to measure my fattest finger, which is my thumb, and my smaller finger, which was my index finger. So I probably could have ordered just all size 2, but I didn't. I ordered size 1 and size 2 just in case I ever do need them for something random and I needed to protect all my fingers for some reason. I don't know, who knows. This is what they are, okay? Super cute. You just slide them on. And like I said, since I needed them to protect my nails when working on display tips, I needed them to possibly hang off if they needed to hang off, depending on the length of my nails, to protect my nails. And like I said, I've tried the other office-y type ones, but they end up having that like little chunk at the tip. Even if I have these hanging off, they do not interfere with my grasp, my grip, anything I'm reaching for, anything I'm trying to do. They don't interfere. When I'm working on display tips and I need to get a snug hold on the tip to really shape the little cuticle area, I can do that without worrying about filing into my nail. If you can see that, if I happen to hit my nail while I'm filing, I'm hitting the PROtech. So it actually pushes as a cushion to protect my nail, which is awesome, because then I don't have to be all sad about scratching and scuffing my nails. It's definitely what I've been using them for, but like I said, when you have a busy day at work, they definitely come in handy for your thumb. Slide it down if you need to, and it definitely helps to avoid that. Definitely check these guys out. This is an awesome product. These things feel so snug, and the reason I ordered the 1 and the 2, which is like the smaller of the sizes, is because I don't really have a habit of scuffing these nails. It's mainly these ones here, and they work amazing. It has a snug fit. You would have to like push real hard, but that's, again, measure your fingers, and if you're like me and you end up losing your flexible measure tape, I don't know why I did not think of this sooner. I could have just gotten a piece of string. got in a piece of string, did that. In case you're like me and you lose your flexible measure tape, get you a little string, measure your finger, and measure where you plan on using it. If you're going to use it in the center, measure that area. If you're going to be using it further down, measure that area. I knew I was going to be using it about here and about here. That's where my measurements came from. You want a snug measurement because they are stretchy. Did I say that already? I'm pretty sure I said that. They are stretchy, so get you an accurate measurement. So one more time, measure that out. Get a ruler. Do that. There you go. And see, since I moved it further down, that, you know, it was a little bit bigger. So definitely measure your fingers and place your orders. If you order them, it is $11.99. That is in pounds. If I convert that to US dollars, it's about $16-ish. Less than that, but around there. So definitely, here's the info. Check it all out. Go follow them on Instagram. Go participate in their giveaways. I'm trying to get back into this YouTube habit. So thanks for bearing with me, guys. And until next time.